Industrial and commercial air conditioning systems today need intelligent air handling units that conserve energy and save space. STULZ intelligent air handling units are up to 60% more energy efficient with 30% less footprint than standard AHUs. STULZ German-engineered i-AHUs have BMS-ready programmable controllers with instrumentation, inbuilt power panels, EC fans, and control valves. We deliver the highest return on investment with our huge savings in energy, manpower, and maintenance costs, being an engineered unit and not just a unit with assembled components. Compliant with international quality standards with emphasis on fire safety, we come with international standard 1mm GI sheets. Our rock wool insulation lets off no toxic fumes when it burns, unlike standard AHUs with puff. EC motors with direct drive fans optimize power consumption by eliminating losses associated with conventional AC motors. EC fan technology also provides stepless speed variation and eliminates the need for VFDs along with high reliability with mean time between failure 80,000 hours. The BMS-ready controller with instrumentation displays critical information in real time. Supply circuit starter eliminates the need for an electric panel, optional touchscreen display and carbon dioxide sensors, kilowatt consumption, etc. makes the i-AHU easy to operate and maintain. STULZ i-AHUs with factory-fitted, pressure-independent control valves provide efficient system performance. The efficient cooling coil design with low pressure drop suits both direct expansion and chilled water systems. The optional anti-corrosive coating ensures high reliability. Hot water coils are standard options for specific application needs. STULZ i-AHUs give fresh quality air indoors for a healthy, comfortable experience. We offer a wide range of filter options to suit various applications. Our range of treated fresh air units meets all major industry standards. i-AHUs pay for themselves. Best return on investment. Highest cost saving in energy, manpower, and maintenance. Lowest footprint, least noise levels. Even more, we have the highest reliability. Suitable for even 24 hours, 365 days of operation. STULZ, engineered in Germany, manufactured in India. Widest pan-India factory-trained technicians with on-site service network. From the beaches of Rameshwaram to valleys of Kashmir. From the deserts of Kutch to tea estates of Darjeeling, we got you covered. STULZ i-AHUs. Make the intelligent choice.